Does high performance have to come with extreme heat and power drain? Why can't industrial applications be supported by stable and efficient platforms? Why let every new generation trigger another redesign? Now, there's a smarter choice. Introducing the Innodisk AI on Dragonwing processors. Top-tier edge performance powered by Qualcomm technologies. Backed by Innodisk's industrial-grade hardware expertise and software capabilities. An integrated platform. No compromise. Qualcomm Dragonwing processors support product longevity through 2038. Wide temperature operation from -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Reliable resistance to shock and vibration. Built-in TPM 2.0 for data protection. At the core of it all is the heterogeneous compute architecture, delivering cutting-edge compute and AI performance. Qualcomm Dragonwing processors balances high performance with remarkably low power consumption through efficient task execution. Built in the COM-HPC Mini form factor, the portfolio is designed for faster time to market, reducing development barriers and minimizing risk. As a Qualcomm-validated platform, it's ready for application development from day one. All supported by Innodisk's MIPI and GMSL camera modules for AI machine vision. Expansion modules including LAN, KN bus, and serial. Plus IQ Studio, our all-in-one development toolkit. For faster system bring-up, POC demos for application inspiration, and validation tools for testing and production. In addition, Qualcomm AI Hub enables seamless model integration, rapid benchmarking, and scenario testing. From COM-HPC modules to starter kits with carrier boards, Innodisk offers the right fit for all your edge AI needs. Powered by Qualcomm Dragonwing's IQ series and spanning AI computing power from 20 TOPS to 350 TOPS. Innodisk AI on Dragonwing makes edge AI more scalable, efficient, and deployment ready. Innodisk, Architect Intelligence.